PresClav Forte dry syrup is used for the treatment of bacterial infection of the sinus, lungs, throat, airways, ears, urinary tract, bones, soft tissue, skin, and tooth. There are two active ingredients in this, amoxicillin and clavulanic acid. Amoxicillin works by killing the bacteria responsible for infections. However, the bacteria make the enzyme beta-lactamase, which can destroy amoxicillin. Clavulanic acid inactivates this enzyme and hence helps amoxicillin to perform its function. This makes the combination of amoxicillin and clavulanic acid an effective treatment for resistant tuberculosis. Before giving this medicine to your child, inform your doctor if your child is allergic to any antibiotics or has experienced any allergic reactions after taking antibiotics. For using this medicine, dissolve the powder in sterile water and shake well and use, according to the dosage prescribed by the doctor. One of the most important tips is that your child must complete the entire course of antibiotics. Stopping too soon may cause the bacteria to multiply again, become resistant, or cause another infection.